I'm Holly Bender, the Recognition Program Manager, and I'd like to add my congratulations to all the 2020 IMEC Award and Recognition recipients. This program started in 1995 and is supported not only by staff, but by many volunteers who participate as examiners, judges, contributors, and Board of Trustee members. We've had over 1,200 people donate countless hours and have served over 150 organizations across the state. To date, we've awarded 120 bronze awards for excellence, 56 silver awards for excellence, and 14 gold awards for excellence. In the last few years, we've had 2 of our state gold winners go on to win the only presidential award for quality, the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. As you heard us celebrate earlier, we also work with organizations who are just getting started on the road to excellence through our Interest in Excellence and Focus on Excellence recognition options. 20 organizations have participated so far and have become part of our community for continuous improvement, sharing best practices with each other for the benefit of their employees, stakeholders, and their students, patients, or customers. I'd like to recognize and thank all the examiners who've contributed their expertise and countless hours. Without them, the IMEC Recognition Program would not be possible. These volunteers produce our most valuable product, a feedback report that outlines an organization's significant strengths and opportunities for improvement. You can see the names of the 2020 Board of Examiners on the screen. Many of our examiners return year after year, and we've maintained a 90% likely to recommend rating from them. I also want to recognize and thank our panel of 7 judges who donate their expertise and time to guide, train, and mentor our examiners. These volunteers evaluate the feedback reports from the examiner teams and make award determinations. They also play a critical role in ensuring the integrity of our training and evaluation processes. Our judges have been part of the program for many years as well, most starting as examiners. Now I'd like to highlight a few special volunteer anniversaries. Teresa Fraker, Senior Examiner, and Shelley Pierce, our Chief Judge, have both been volunteers for 5 years. And celebrating the 10-year mark are volunteers Gretchen Fricks, Judge, Marcia Haldorson, Senior Examiner and Team Lead, and Craig Thompson, Judge. We are successful because of the ever-growing knowledge this group of individuals brings to the services we provide, and we are grateful for their expertise, loyalty to the recognition program, and their commitment to each and every applicant. Finally, we need to recognize the members of the Board of Trustees. The board is also comprised of volunteers, and they help to advise and guide the IMEC Recognition Program. As a nonprofit, the IMEC Recognition Program relies on our donors and contributors. Thanks to the generosity of these organizations, we can continue helping Illinois organizations in the pursuit of enterprise excellence. Congratulations again to our award recipients. We've just started the 2021 recognition cycle, and there's still time to get involved, either by applying for an award or by becoming an examiner. In fact, that's how I got involved. I was an examiner for the state of Iowa and then for the state of Illinois for many years. Now I have the pleasure of living performance excellence every day through IMEC. The deadline to apply to be an examiner is April 15th. The deadline to file an intent to apply document for an award is April 2nd. And now I'll turn it back over to Dave Belay.